I'm sorry, we lost our connection. Uh, so I was telling you that there are 4 principles. We have to remember them. I'm back now. I hope that everybody is listening to me.
Yes.
Okay, please. So the first rule was that if the sifat is marifa, the means mosuf is marifa, the sifat would be marifa. If mosuf is nakira, the sifat will be nakira. Okay, like tajirun is nakira, aminun man'ut would also be nakira. The first principle. इनके आपस में तत्बीक होगी यानी मुताबिकत होगी अगर सिफत जो है मारिफा है तो मौसफ अगर मारिफा है तो सिफत भी मारिफा होगी. Okay, there should be cohesion between naatun and manutun. If naat is marifa, then manutun would be marifa. If naatun is nakira, the manut would be nakira. The first principle. Number 2, if the
voice is broken now. We cannot hear you.
Okay.
Understand you.
Okay. Now do you can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
No, we cannot understand you.
Okay.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, बहुत तेज हो रही है. आप अब्बू आपकी आवाज.
चलो मैं अभी दोबारा just a minute. Okay. अब आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
जी अब आ रही है.
जी आ रही है, अब आ रही है.
चलें ठीक है.
आपने बताया था मौसूफ मारफा है तो सिफत भी मारफा होगी, उसके आगे नहीं समझ आया मुझे.
ठीक है, दोबारा मैं बात करता हूँ. डोंट वरी. मैंने ये कहा कि अगर सिफत आपकी मारिफा है तो मौसूफ मारिफा है तो सिफत भी मारिफा होगी. अगर मौसूफ नकिरा है तो सिफत भी नकिरा होगी. What I said, if natun is marifa, the manut would be marifa. If natun is nakira, then manut would be nakira. Number 2, if the nat is mudhakkar, the manut would be mudhakkar. Like rajulun mudhakkar, taqiyun mudhakkar. If the nat is muannas like imratun, the man'utun would be nakira like taqiyatun. क्लियर यहाँ तक?
नहीं, प्लीज रिपीट करें इसको.
नहीं कह रहा हूं कि अगर आपका जो ये मौसूफ है ना रजुलन, अगर ये मुज़क्कर होगा तो इसकी सिफत भी मुज़क्कर होगी. अगर ये मौसूफ मुअन्नस है तो सिफत भी मुअन्नस होगी. I said if the naat is muzakkar, manut would be muzakkar. If the naat is muannas, the manut would be muannas as well. Is that clear up to now?
Yes.
This was second principle. First one, tarif and tankir. The second one, tazkir and tanish. Okay. Now the third one. What is the third one? Third one is that if the naat is mufrad, manut would be mufrad. If naat is musanna, manut would be musanna. If naat is jama, the manut would be jama. Okay.
Yes.
And jama, both examples, mudhakkar and muannas. If naat is jama taksir, like al-aqlamu, manut would be muannas wahid, mufrad. Clear yahan tak? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Do you know when you say mawsuf, does mawsuf mean noun?
Mawsuf means natun, and sifat is what? Manutun.
Okay.
जमा तकसीर का आपने क्या बताया?
I repeat, if the naat is wahid means mufrad, manut would be mufrad. If naat is musanna, manut musanna. If naat jama, manut would be jama as well. And both examples of jama, muzakkar and muannath. Okay. If there is jama taksir, means naat is jama taksir, its manut would be wahid muannath. Do you remember this?
Yes.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this
And what is this called? What is this called? First was Tarif and second was Taskir and Tanis.
means
And this one is?
al-ifradu wa tasniyatu wal jamu. में इसका मतलब ये कि अगर आपका मौसूफ वाहिद होगा तो उसकी सिफत भी वाहिद होगी, मौसूफ मुसन्ना होगा तो सिफत भी मुसन्ना, मौसूफ जमा तो सिफत भी जमा, मौसूफ जमा तकसीर होगी तो उसकी सिफत वाहिद मुअन्नस होगी। ठीक है जी। थर्ड वन, ये
सर जो 7 सेंटेंस है इसको इसकी ट्रांसलेशन बता देंगे? ये 7 सेंटेंस समझने के लिए।
अत्तुल्लाबुल मुजिद्दून यानी कि हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स, नाजिहून फिल इम्तिहान, सक्सीड इन एग्जाम, मेहनती तालिब इल्म इम्तिहान में कामयाब होते हैं। ठीक है जी। Okay. Now fourth principle. What is the fourth principle? That is about al-i'rab, marfu, mansub, majrur. If naat is marfu, man'ut would be marfu. If naat is mansub, man'ut would be mansub. If naat is majrur, man'ut would be majrur. Is that clear? अगर मौसूफ मरफू है तो इसकी सिफत भी मरफू होगी, मौसूफ मंसूब है तो सिफत भी मंसूब होगी, मौसूफ मजरूर है तो सिफत भी मजरूर होगी। I repeat in English. If the naat is marfu, man'ut would be marfu. If naat is mansub, man'ut would be mansub. If naat is majrur, man'ut would be majrur. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
4 principles we have learned. I repeat them one by one. Number 1, it was that if the naat is marifa, the manut would be marifa. If naat is nakira, the manut would be nakira. Number 2, if the naat is muzakkar, manut would be muzakkar. If the naat is muannas, manut would be muannas. Number 3, if the naat is mufrad, manut would be mufrad. If naat is musanna, manut would be musanna. If naat is jama, manut would be jama. If naat is jama taksir, manut would be wahid muannas. Number 4, if naat is marfu, manut would be marfu. If naat is mansub, manut would be mansub. If naat is majroor, the manut would be majroor. I hope it's clear now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is this? Please tell me, what is this? What we call this? The question, first question.
It's called Na'ad Man'ut and it's called Murakkabun Tawsifun. Tawsif.
Al-Murakkabut Tawsifiyyu. Okay, very good. Number 1. This is the first thing. So it is what Al-Murakkab means, phrase. Why it is phrase?
It's phrase because it's not a complete sentence. It's part of a sentence.
Very good. Good.
It needs a khabar.
Yes. Okay. Then I ask, what is the number 1 principle? Anyone else? What is the first principle? Yes, Sister Yanti.
If nat is ma'rifat, then manut also ma'rifat. If nat is nakiro, manut also nakiro.
Okay. Number 2 principle. Ji, Rabia Beg, jaldi bataएं. Hurry up.
सर अगर नात मुजक्कर होगी तो फिर मौसूफ भी मुजक्कर होगा, अगर नात मुअन्नस हो गई तो फिर वो जो मनऊत है वो भी मुअन्नस होगा।
हाँ, मनऊत. Okay. Number 3, Asma. तीसरा प्रिंसिपल क्या है? Hurry up.
जी अगर जमा होगी तो मनऊत भी जमा, और अगर मुफरद तो मुफरद, और इसी तरह से अगर तकसीर रूल आ जाएगा तो फिर वो वाहिद मुअन्नस में चेंज हो जाएगी जो मनऊत होगी,
और अगर मुसन्ना होगा तो भी मनऊत मुसन्ना. ओके जी सिस्टर सादिका, चौथा प्रिंसिपल जल्दी बता दें. हरिया.
जी अगर नात मरफू होगा तो मनूत भी मरफू होगा, और अगर मंसूब होगा तो मंसूब होगा, और मजरूर होगा तो मजरूर.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह. ये पहली, this is the first exercise for you that you've got fill in the blanks. Al-Arabiyyatu. Now this is Mubtada. Lughatun. This is what Mawsuf or Naat. And it's we have to bring its manot like Lughatun Sahlatun. Okay. Lis-Salihina Wujuhun. Wujuhun is Mawsuf. Now you have to make it Sifat or Manot. So you have to fill in the blanks. This is the first exercise. Okay. This is the second exercise. Again, you have to fill in the blanks. This is the third exercise. Now, Naat and Manut is given. But what you have to do, you have to make them Muthanna and Jama. Huwa tajirun ghaniyun. Huma tajirani ghaniyani. Okay. And then you have to make them Jama. Okay. Clear? Now this is what the exercise. I won't ask you to do any means before we start doing ourselves. I'll ask you myself. Now, this is the time that you will be giving I'rab on your own. Right? Can you see this exercise?
Yes, sir. Very
Now this is the task.
daunting.
This is the task, a daunting task, but I am sure that everyone is capable, every one of you is capable to do that. You have to bring Zamma, Kasra, Fatah, Tanween, whatever to these sentences. जी ये वो एक्सरसाइज है जहां पर आप खुद जम्मा कसा कसरा फतह लगाएंगे. ये क्लियर है आपको? ठीक है. Exercise number 5 is translation. And this is what again we will do tarkeeb. Exercise number 6. Al-kutubu mubtada marfu wa alamatu rafu zamma zahirati ala akhiri. We'll do that. I'll make you do. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay. And this last tamreen from Quran. And then these are the words. Any questions up to now? Please ask me if you have any questions.
No.
Sir, how long are you giving us to do all these exercises?
2 to 3 days. And definitely 2 to 3 days.
Really? That's a bit less, sir.
How much time do you need?
Probably a week, maybe 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. At least a week.
Just try yourself. We will do every exercise in our class during session. I won't leave you do everything on your own because these are hard exercises and I want everyone to solve these exercises during the session. And I also remember, I haven't forgot that this exercise also remains the last sentences. So I will also do this exercise with you, inshallah. Don't worry about this. Okay?
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
We will do all these exercises together. The assignment is given to you. Whatever amount of the exercise you can do on your own, please do. If you cannot do, I will just urge you to go and revise all the vocabulary and the vocabulary that is given also in these 2 lessons. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you think should we stop over here or should we continue?
Yes, yes. Yes, because I have my exam of Quran.
Okay. So this is what, okay, just try to, okay, I do understand. Just try to go through these vocabulary, means these words yourself, please. These are new words. You don't have to worry about anything, please. We will do these exercises together. I'm not asking you to do everything on your own by now. Okay? It is up to your capacity, the time you have got, whatever the amount of time you can spare for the exercises, easily at your convenience. That's it. There's no overburden. I hope this is clear now. You don't have to worry. You don't have to take any stress. Okay, everyone, you are not supposed to take any stress. And from tomorrow, inshallah, we'll do these exercises together. Then we'll go to Muzaf and Muzafile and other lessons, because I want you, because we'll be having some break after this first means basic level. So I want to give you complete some major portion of basic level before we have our break in Ramadan. So, okay, Alhamdulillah, we have done whatever we could do, and inshallah we'll meet tomorrow, and we'll start with exercises. And please remember, okay, this is the task you should remember. Remember the concepts only. Remember the concepts, memorize the concept, whatever the concepts I have told you about the Zamair, about the Murakkabul Tawsifiyo. Okay. Any questions? No questions?
No, sir. So do you have Tajweed today, sir?
I think today we may not do Tajweed, but inshallah in coming classes, 10 to 20 minutes we'll spare for Tajweed. Don't worry about that. We'll do that. Okay? Okay. Jazakallah khair. Please keep praying for everyone that all of you should stay together and connected for this wonderful course of Lisan Ul Quran, and pray for also me that may Allah give me tawfiq to continue with this and put more effort to this course, inshallah, and may Allah Almighty benefit us and reward us here and hereafter. Ameen. Okay.
Ameen.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you very much.